Hey men, I got a quick scripture for you from Jesus, talking about Jesus in Luke 18. And this was a challenge to men. This is something where Jesus was challenging you as a man. He said this, he said, "Then he spoke a parable to them that men always ought to pray and not lose heart." Now I realize that this was speaking more generally, not just to men, but women as well. But he said to men specifically, he said that men ought always to pray and not to faint, not to give up, not to turn out badly, one translation says. And sometimes we've almost put prayer being something that women do, and maybe some men put prayer off to letting their wives do something. And sometimes it seems like prayer is the last thing. After a man has done everything he could, then it's like, man, I got to pray. But Jesus said that what ought to be part of a man's life is that he ought always to pray. I just want to challenge you. If somebody looked at your life, how you spent your time, would they say that you're somebody that prays always, that always seems to look up to God? That's a first resort rather than a last resort. And I'd just like to challenge you. What can you do to upgrade your prayer life today? Maybe it's get a book. Maybe find a good book on prayer that just helps upgrade your prayer life. Maybe it's getting into some more prayer meetings and getting around some people that are really prayer warriors and maybe spending some time with them just to upgrade your prayer life. Because Jesus said, if we learn to pray and we have a consistent prayer life, we don't give up, we don't quit, we don't give out on our marriages, our jobs, our dreams. We become people that fight through and win. So my challenge today, do what you can to upgrade your prayer life and be one of those that Jesus said, this guy always prays.